Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Later. So changing your profile picture on this app is simple, but the option can be a bit hidden. So actually guys, first you will need just open the Later app and then just go and tap your profile icon or picture that's located at the top right corner right here. So once you tap it, you will be able to see an option or gear icon, even what we call the settings at the top right. So tap on them and then go with profile and personal details, which is the first option right here. So once you tap it, you will be able to see your current profile picture right here. So just go ahead and tap on it and then go with take or choose a photo. So when you tap on take photo, they will forward you into your phone's camera so you can take a photo instantly and put it into or set it as your new profile icon or profile picture. If you want to go with choose photo, they will forward you into your gallery or your photos library. So here you will need to select one from your gallery and then just go with save changes right here or that's check mark. Okay, so in most apps, tapping the current photo is what opens the change option, even if there is no obvious change photo button. So if you can't change it or you don't see the option, just try tapping the photo itself, not just settings, and the app notice it. And if the app is outdated, you will need to go to your Apple App Store and just update it from there. And even I do really want to use Square Image for the best fit, and clear bright photo works best. Okay, so it shows small in the app, and if it doesn't update immediately, just restart the app. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.